Cosmos, the fastest growing ecosystem of interoperability, has many great projects that have developed on top of it. But there's one which gets a lot of the hype, and many people in crypto have invested in this one. It's called Terra and has a token called Luna. It's currently the second largest project in terms of market cap in the Cosmos ecosystem, and to be honest, it's more of an ecosystem of its own. And you'll find out why in this video, so please stay tuned. Now, within Terra, there are two apps that have been designed to show all the projects that are part of Terra. These are layer 2 solutions, as Terra is a layer 1 ecosystem on top of Cosmos. DeFi Llama shows us the Terra apps by total value locked, and Smart Stake shows us a list of projects that use the Terra ecosystem. DeFi Llama is a user-friendly dashboard which has a list of both the NFT and the DeFi projects on Terra. Now, you can search for specific collections very easily. You can even see the blockchains that they're actually on, and there's also access to a marketplace. As you can see, for the NFTs, there's a whopping total volume of 20.40 billion USD and a total volume of 100k per day. Now, before I move on and look more into Terra, I'd like to thank today's video sponsors, Swappi, and so I'll play this short segment. Thank you. Swappi is the very first DEX to launch on Conflux eSpace, an EVM-compatible smart contract execution environment that allows developers to deploy and execute Ethereum-native dApps and smart contracts within the Conflux ecosystem. As an AMM-based DEX, Swappi lets users trade in a fully decentralized environment without registering or creating an account, enabling anyone to start trading within seconds. Keep in mind that in order to access any of the DEX's features, you will have to add the Conflux eSpace network details on your MetaMask wallet, but this will be done automatically when you try to connect your wallet and you receive the pop-up asking you if you want to do that. Swappi offers swaps, liquidity farming, yield farming, staking, and also has an analytics feature. For more details on Swappi, check out the links in the description of this video. Thank you for watching. Terra Analytics has a lot of different dApps and small projects. One of these is the Anchor dApp, which generates 7 to 10% APY on stake in UST, which is Terra stablecoin. Now, I'll talk a bit more about UST later in the video. Now, those who stake the Luna token can get staking rewards from people who transact with their stablecoin UST. Like Cosmos itself and its connectivity to the different projects, Terra is in the same situation with all the various dApps connected or communicating to Terra in some way, from DeFi to NFT dApps and other protocols which bring some sort of utility to the ecosystem. Terra Station is Terra's official wallet, where you can access a dashboard with different functionalities, from basic DEX features to swapping to staking, governance. As you can see, the community pool has 9.83 million Luna locked up with a whopping staking ratio of 42.9%. Also, Luna has been doing very well in terms of price, currently trading at $94 across all the different exchanges and sitting at a very large market cap of $33 billion, and most of this is thanks to Terra stablecoin UST, which is integrated into the Terra ecosystem. Now, let me explain UST or Terra stablecoin, which is pegged to different fiat currencies. The protocol consists of two main tokens, Terra and Luna. And Terra are the stablecoins that track the price of fiat currencies. Users mint new Terra by burning Luna stablecoins and are named for their fiat counterparts. For example, the base Terra stablecoin tracks the price of IMF-USD or named SDT. Other stablecoin denominations include Terra USD or UST and Terra KRW or KRT. All Terra denominations exist in a pool. Now, Luna is Terra's protocol's native staking token that absorbs the price volatility of Terra. Luna is used for governance and in mining. Users stake Luna to validators who record and verify transactions on the blockchain in exchange for rewards from transaction fees. The more Terra is used, the more Luna is worth. Now, stablecoins are the main feature of the Terra protocol and crypto assets that track the price of an underlying currency. As a digital form of currency, Terra stablecoins can be used just like fiat currency with blockchain's added benefits: an unchangeable public ledger, instant transactions, faster settlement times, and fewer fees. Stablecoins are only valuable to users if they maintain their price peg. Now, the Terra protocol uses the basic market forces of supply and demand to maintain the price of Terra. When the demand for Terra is high and the supply is limited, the price of Terra increases, and when the demand of Terra is low and the supply is too large, the price of Terra decreases. Now, the protocol ensures the supply and demand of Terra is always balanced, leading to a stable price. But you may be thinking, that's all well and good for a stablecoin, but what makes it so successful? Loop Markets have written a nice article explaining why the Korean app Chai has made Terra successful. Now, Chai is a Korean mobile payment service similar to PayPal or Revolut. With the app downloaded, a user can connect their bank account and make online payments simple and convenient. Now, it was in the summer of 2019 when Terra made the breakthrough partnership with Chai. And had you held Luna before that, you were very likely very happy. And you know it was time to hodl tight and not just hodl. This partnership made Chai available to all of Terra's e-commerce partners. Chai was then partnered with 15 of the largest local banks to facilitate easy on and off ramping. This meant Terra could potentially tap into a large Korean market and real-world economy. For Terra, Chai provides a payment gateway with merchants in fiat where they can access the masses, and for Chai, Terra offers them a doorway to the blockchain where they can access quicker transactions at a fraction of the cost. Since traditionally merchants like Chai have been subject to 2 to 3% digital payment fees in blockchain, now they have reduced that quite a lot. One more interesting example to help you understand how it actually works, at least behind the scenes, is imagine a user in Korea uses the app to buy bread worth $1 or 1,000 Korean won. What actually happens internally is that 1,000 KRT worth $1 are purchased and $1 worth of Luna get burned. Thus the supply shrinks and thus it becomes more valuable. So the idea is very good, and they're also not reinvented the wheel, as the Terra team don't have to develop a payment app and can continue their focus on blockchain development. So having explained all of this, I personally see a bright future ahead for Terra and those who hold Luna. This is just the start. Now imagine when and if they'll partner with other popular payment apps in other countries, for example, right? That will bring Luna's price even higher. At least that's what it should be like, and that's how it's designed, and it is designed to increase in value over time. Now, what do you think of Terra? Do you hold any Luna? Let me know in the comments below, and thanks for watching this video. Take care and stay safe.